Welcome back to the Daily Grind, everyone. So if you guys remember last year, I did a small plot of some winter wheat, and it grew really well. It kind of died back in the winter and then regrew in the spring. I was able to start harvesting kind of into late spring. It took a while. Well, I planted some more this year, right here, and it's growing about the same as it was, maybe even a little quicker. However, we're only in November, and it's only been in the ground maybe a month, and we've had some warm temperatures. It kind of dropped temperature and then came back to warmth. I've got some of these forming seeds, so I'm going to bring you guys in and show you. Maybe you guys can help me and figure out what happened here. Maybe I planted too early. I don't think so. It was about the same time as last year. Granted, we are having a warmer than average winter here, so maybe that's it. I don't know, but I'll bring you guys in, you guys can see what I'm talking about. Starting to form some seed on a couple of them. Not all, most of them not, but there's actually a lot of them are starting. Actually, look at, they're getting fat and swelled there. So, looks like quite a few. Not all of them are breaking forth yet, but this is really early. It's only late November. And I think it was sometime around like March when I was able to harvest last year, so this is really quick. Plus, they're not very tall. These are quite short, a lot shorter than they were last year when they started seeding. So I'm not sure if I did anything different. Now, I will admit this ground is better soil, so I was able to, you know, kind of mend the soil. Got compost in here, so it is a higher quality soil. Maybe it's causing them to grow much quicker. I don't know, but it's really weird that they're short, yet they're still starting seed. So I don't know what to do about this, guys. Is this kind of a lost cause? Because, I mean, we're going to have some winter come, and it probably will kind of slow these down. Is this seed a lost cause, or should I go ahead and harvest when they're ready, when they dry out, which will probably be late December, early January, if they're starting like this? Should I wait and harvest it, or should I tear this down and use it as like a winter cover crop, tarp it, make sure they don't come back, kind of keep that tarp on for a couple months? Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have done anything like this before. I'm rather new to this. I only did this last year, so this is only the second year of growing wheat. I'm not an expert by any means, but I will be coming out with a video on all these cover crops. I've done a couple on some of them, but each one of these beds I did a different cover crop. This is the only one that is still standing that's a cover crop. So in a couple weeks, I'll be doing a video on the cover crop of the Texas cream pea. But I already did it on the buckwheat, and then also the daikon radish, or the tillage radish. So I've done it on those, but this is the last, of course, because this is the last that I planted, and it takes the longest usually, but it does seem pretty quick right now. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification, so that way these future videos I'm coming out with, they'll notify you. Also, if you could hit the like button, it helps me and the channel out. I really appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Now you try to escape the daily grind.